Okay, we'll start with some Johnny Lightning project in progress. I got 284 Olds 442. You can see the primer on there and mixed up rims. There we go. Look what we got here. 66 Pontiac GTO. 3 66 Pontiac GTOs, Johnny Lightning. You get a window cling, whatever that is, for a sticker. Nice. Okay, we'll go on to now. Pick up 50th anniversary Johnny Lightning Corvette, 65 Vet, silver. I'm not a big Corvette guy, but I have a bunch now. Okay, 67 Chevy Nova. It's a nice little black one. 68 Chevelle Johnny Lightning, High Performance Series. And we got Johnny Lightning Super Chevy. A lot of these are, some of these are from the 96, 7, 8. Hard to find these around just on the pegs anywhere now, and I'm glad I've got myself a very nice wide collection of cars now. This is sick. I'm gonna end up flea marketing a bunch of these out in the summertime. I was wondering what I was gonna sell this summer. Looks like I have plenty extras. 64 Impala. Beauty. What else we got? Oh, this is nice. Green Chevelle. Hello. 69 Camaro Z28. Red lines. Beautiful. Okay. This is just a caddy with the big white walls. 59 Cadillac. It's blue carded. Oh, sorry, I can't see the year on here, but it is 1991. That's a few years old. That's a 21-year-old little Hot Wheel there. Okay, so we got a 71 Pro Street GTO. Nice. Alright, what else we got here? Team Bartwell. What was that DJ used to, what's his name? Flex? That's his get up there. 1 to 30,000. It's not that rare. Old school Chevelle. Nice. Has its own little encasement inside there. What else we got here? 69 Chevy Camaro. Johnny Lightning. That's a sweet car. You don't even have to like Camaros or GMs to like that one. 73 Caddy Eldorado. And we got ourselves a 55 Chevy 2-door sedan with the old flameroo, also known as flamage. Here we go, a 1998 Corvette, white. Here's the hood pops up on that one. There we go. 57 Chevy chrome body. There's a blue card from 1995. Got some years on that too. So my buddy that I've been buying all this stuff from, or swapping and trading with the cards, brought in all this. This is what he was planning to keep at home. He brought it, so I got his good stuff. Apparently that's what he calls it. So 57 Chevy Bel Air Johnny Lightning. That's a beautiful car. There we go here. Hall of Fame, Hot Wheels Hall of Fame. Red line tires. Greatest rides. It's a nice casting there. It's all shaved, no doors. Well, what year is that from? Well, 2002, so it's not that old. Here we go. 66 Chevy Nova. Cool. What else do we got? Oh, it's a 57 Chevy day here at the old Picker Nation update video. Custom hot rod. Nice. What year is this from? 2000. Metal body, metal base. Probably rubber tires too. Yes, they are. Okay, a little bit more GM. We have ourselves another 3 '69 Camaros. Sweet. Move them up. That was 2006 Holiday rods. It's a 65 Pontiac GTO red line tires. Beautiful case. Nice hard plastic. 2006. Okay. 55 Chevy 2-door sedan. The spoilers. Johnny Lightning. Then we got ourselves a 76 Chevy Camaro. Popping onto the hood there. Oh man, look at this. 57 Chevy again. Wow, it's the 57 Chevy day here. Okay. Another ugly green seated pink black top Camaro. Firebird actually. There's the Camaro. Looks red, but it's orange and black. Nice. Sorta. Not really. What do we got here? 58 Chevy Impala. Nice. Hey, 69 Olds Cutlass 442. Johnny Lightning. Nice case. Get yourself some, oh. Well, look at that, eh? 70 Monte Carlo. Just like my 72. Pretty much the same thing, just a few little here and there's. 57 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Kind of the pink and maroon. Oh boy. The last 2 Chevy I'm gonna update here. A couple Corvettes. 78 Corvette there. That's a nice Stingray. 71 Corvette. Sweet. Take care, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.